In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal link so you can start receiving money. So you can see on the screen here that I already have my own custom link, and basically people can click on this link and send me money directly. Now to go and create your own one, we first need to head over to the PayPal website and just make sure you're signed into your PayPal account. Now come up to the address bar at the top and just type in paypal.me and press enter. Now you should already be signed into your account, and then you can just press create your paypal.me link. If you haven't already set one of these up, then you'll need to go through the steps to create your own custom link. As you can see, I already have my link, so I can press manage my PayPal link. Now this is what the link will look like, and we can basically share this by pressing copy link. You can also share this to the different social media platforms, and if you want to make any changes to how this is displayed and what people see when they click on this, you can press manage profile, and obviously all these different sections here we can go and customize. Just make sure that anyone can see and send money to your PayPal username is turned on and enabled, and that's how you go and send custom links in PayPal. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.